planting flower plants sa front garden namin sa Niagara Falls. Paki-subscribe, like at share po para madagdagan ang viewers ko para kumalat sa lahat ang aking prayers at nobena na talagang misyon ng aking channel. Salamat po. Inihanda ko na yung aking mga gagamitin, yung lalagyan ko ng weeds na blue bucket, yung aking hydrangea na aking itatanim, at ayan, kinuha ko na yung pala na gagamitin kong panghukay sa pagtatanaman ko ng hydrangea. Kailangan double the size of the pot and double the depth of the pot. I am the one doing the digging because my husband just had sciatica and he is being treated by an osteopath, so hindi natin siya pwedeng mabinat kasi baka bumalik na naman yung kanyang sakit ng likod. Medyo nahihirapan pa rin siyang maglakad ngayon. Lots of rocks and clay and roots. So it's kind of difficult for me to dig this one so that I can plant my hydrangea. It's very we have relatives that came with 3 boys and they dug the roots of the this rose that become a trunk already, and it's only about 4 or 5 years old, and look how big the roots became. So this is not a good rose shrub. It's a good thing the boys came and they dug it out. Thank you, boys. This is spot in the garden where I'm planting the hydrangea. Has a lot of rocks on there, so I was having a hard time digging it because it's just pure rocks. I will need soil to mix it with before I can put my plant. These 3 sons look at the rose bush. I had remembered to thank God for this kneeler seat combination that I can kneel when I'm planting or digging. Without this, I don't think I can do anything in the garden anymore. The rocks, and I think they are from the construction rocks. So they just put it on the ground before the grass where the sod was put in. That was in 2017. Lots of rocks, and that's where I'm supposed to be planting this. So I cannot use my phone to film because it was blown by the wind and it fell down on the driveway. It's a good thing it was protected by the rubber hose, so it did not land on the concrete, so it was protected by that rubber hose. Okay, so I'm going to continue this. I cannot use the phone. We'll see. I'll try. Because of the rocks and I couldn't dig anymore, I took the steel or iron bar used for digging. We call it in Tagalog bareta. It is very heavy, especially for me, a little short woman, 78 years old almost. When you see me stop digging momentarily, that means I had to catch my breath because it is really difficult for me to be doing this. So there you go. I am reversing the bareta or the steel iron for digging because I don't know, I'm probably thinking that the other end will do better. So this is a really heavy, I don't know how you call it in English, but in Tagalog, bareta ang tawag dito. So it's very heavy. I can barely lift it. Oh, there is rocks there. This is what the boys use for the rose roots. Oh my god. Oh. As you can see, I can hardly lift the metal digging stick, whatever you call it, the barreta. It's really heavy, but that's the only one that can penetrate the hard rock-laden hole there that I was digging. It's very heavy. This frame is from a different angle, and this recording came from our security camera. And as you can see, I'm having a rough time handling the steel or iron bar that I'm using for digging. It helped a lot, but I was really tired. Oops, this is when my phone dropped on the ground because of the wind. Thank you, Lord Jesus, that it did not break. I was able to still use it afterwards. I said I wasn't going to use it again because of the heavy wind, the strong wind. But later on, I guess I use it again. Oh well. Gagamitin ko yung phone pagre-record, pero kailangan mababa close to the ground kasi nahihipa ng hangin, baka matumba, mawalan ako ng phone. Mas lalo akong hindi makapag-record at saka mawalan ako ng phone. So, see? Look at the rocks. And this has been here for many years, 9 years since we moved in. I think the construction guys just dump it in the ground on the lawn. Ganun siguro talaga ang procedure nila. Dami oh. Wala pa naman akong lupa. Para mapalitan ito. Hirap lumahod. Ay. At meron ba tayong lupang natitira sa likod? Ha? Lupa? Oh, ito na yung hindi maganda yung pagkakalagay ko ng phone. Hindi nare-record yung aking hinuhukay. Ito nakikita pala sa security camera. Buti naman. Papagod na ako. Ito pa yung itatanim ko, but I don't think I can do anything. Isa lang. Tapos aalis kami bukas. Oh my goodness. Ayan, puro rocks. see rocks. Another one. They're getting bigger as it gets deeper. Ay, pati uhod ko tumutulo sa hirap. Ako, maputol. Sorry, nasira kita. Wala kasi yung asawa ko, hindi marunong tumulong. Dad? Bigat. Pahinga ng manure.
Ha?
Manure at saka yung lupa.
Ano na?
Lupa at saka manure. Pareho na tayong bingi.
Wala tayong lupa, manure lang.
Again, this frame is another angle taken from the security camera. You will see the same procedure that I did using the recording from my phone. And I was asking my husband to get me a bag of manure and to check if we have the potting soil that I can mix with the manure, so there will be something for the roots to go in the hole because of the rocks. So this is the bag of manure that I asked my husband for, and now he is looking for the potting soil at the shed in the backyard. I have no outdoor soil, so I'm going to use the indoor, the potting mix. I think it's okay for the outside. Meron ba diyang paso? Wala. So, i-mix ko ito with manure. Yeah, this is where I mix the manure and the potting soil and then put the mixture inside the hole that I dug before I put in the hydrangea plant and then watered it afterwards. After planting the hydrangea and then packing the soil around it, I proceeded to dig another hole right at the right side of the Virgin Mary on the far right corner, midpoint of the frame, and I planted another hydrangea over there because we have so much that are not planted. Pagkatapos kong maitanim tong nasa kaliwa sa harapan itong aking upuan, pumunta naman ako din sa the far right corner. You will see me by the in between the Blessed Virgin Mary and the bird feeder or bird bath, at nagdig ulit ako ng isang hole doon para magtanim pa ng isang hydrangea. Ang oras na ginagawa ko ito ay alas 8:22 at may araw pa dito sa Canada kasi umpisa na ng summer. Kaya ayan, may araw pa kami ng alas 8:22 ng gabi. Hindi pa kami natutulog at ayan, nagdidilig pa ako ng halaman. At mahaba-haba ang aming araw ngayon. Paki-like po, paki-subscribe at paki-kalat, paki-share ang aking video at nang marami pong manood para lang po yung aking mga dasal at nobena ay kumalat sa buong mundo at magbigay ng pag-asa sa mga tao na nakakabasa at nakakapanood ng aking mga dasal. Marami pong salamat sa inyo kung tatangkilikin ninyo ang aking mga video dahil po kailangan nating magdasal. Isinasama ko po itong mga ganitong video para makadagdag sa viewing at makadagdag sa aking mga viewers, at sana naman po yung mga manunood ay mag-subscribe, mag-like at saka mag-share sa kanilang mga kakilala at mga kamag-anak. Maraming salamat po. Ginawa ko po itong pagre-record, itong aming pagtatanim ng Mayo 4 ng 2026 at yan po ay, ngayon po ay Lunes, kinabukasan ay meron kaming basura day. Aalis kami ng maaga kaya ang asawa ko ay naglalabas na ng basura. Inilalagay na doon sa curb sa tabi ng daan at pipick upin ng basura bukas. Ayan, gabi na po, madilim na. Ang oras ay almost alas 9 na. Alas 8:58 na. 8:58. Ang asawa ko ay naglilinis pa ng driveway dahil nalagyan ng maraming lupa sa pagdidig ko. Magandang gabi na po at good night na po. Paki-like po at paki-subscribe.